Hello friends! Today we're going to draw Super Mario. At the beginning of the video, we'll fast forward to show you how we roughly drew it. Super Mario is my brother's favorite game. Get your marker and paper ready. We will guide you step by step momentarily. Are you ready? Let's get started.
First, let's draw a letter C as his nose. Add half circle on his nose as his right eye. At the same height, let's draw his left eye. Add pupils to his eyes. Since he's looking to the left, we can also add a few letters C in the oval. Remember to leave some white space in the pupil to make his eyes look more lively. Let's move on to draw his eyebrows. You probably have noticed the shape of the eyebrows is also like a letter C. Guess how many C's in total will be used in today's drawing? Let's draw his beard. Draw a curve from the nose to below the left eye. His curly beard is like waves. At the height below his left eye, we draw a mirrored C shape as his ear. Next, draw a line from below the nose to his ear as the jawline. The curve I drew here is a little bit too steep, so he looks thinner than what's in the game. If the jawline is flatter, it can make his face look chubby and cuter. Draw a line from below his eyebrows to his ear. If this is a little bit difficult, you can draw this line in 2 steps. First, draw halfway up to the right eyebrow, then connect it to the ear. Similarly, when drawing his hat, you can also break a long line into 2 parts. The highest point of the hat is about the midpoint above both eyes. This is where we're gonna add letter M. Add a circle around the letter, or actually another C shape. Next, let's draw his open mouth. Make sure you position the mouth in the middle of both eyes. Now we've done his head, let's move on to his body. Another big C. His belly looks a lot like Daddy Pig's. About the height of his mouth, let's draw his left hand. His elbow is positioned below his ear. Now we're going to draw his left hand. Draw a curved line from the height of his chin to his belly. Let's add his left leg. Since the left leg is bent, we see part of the thigh, knee, and shoe. Now let's move on to his right leg. Here, I'm not quite satisfied with the shoe I drew. Now look back. If I start with drawing a letter C, it might be much better. Now let's add lines for his suspenders. When you draw the waistband, curving the lines downward can make him look even plumper. Add buttons to the suspenders. Next, let's move on to his right arm. The two lines are positioned above the suspenders and above the buttons. Next, we draw his right hand. His right hand is holding a hammer, so there's a lot of details to draw. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Add another C shape. And a number 3 for his fingers. Yay! The most difficult part is done. Let's add his hammer. You can use a ruler to assist you if it's easier.
Super Mario sometimes holds a hammer in certain games, like Mario Bros. Or Super Mario Maker, where it's used as a power-up or a tool to defeat enemies. It's a fun gameplay element that adds variety to the Mario universe.
When I don't use a ruler, I often draw a stick looks like broken in half, or it looks suddenly thicker or thinner. So when we draw lines obscured by something, using a ruler is very useful. Now we have done outlining our Super Mario. Finally, let's add some details to the drawing. These are just finishing touches and only nice to have. We have another video joined Toad. Feel free to check it out. Welcome to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out any new videos. His eyes are blue, like the Persian cat. Very beautiful.
Did you know that Super Mario was originally called Jumpman in the early Donkey Kong arcade games? The name was changed when Nintendo decided to create a sequel, and the rest is gaming history.
Hooray! We've done drawing our Super Mario. We really hope you liked this video. See you next time. Bye!